Good morning, cover girls. It absolutely takes a village, and shout out to Hunter Wells and Wells Electrical here in Wabash. Friday had the SOS call, vacuum not working. Uh-oh, that's not good. Vacuum systems, brand new, $10,000 to $15,000. See previous videos of the Mojave systems that we've replaced recently in Peru and Bunker Hill. Slightly different setup here. We have the power vac set up here. Again, another nice large capacity vacuum system. We have 9 operatories here in Wabash, so we need a system that can really crank. And had the SOS call because lo and behold, we had a breaker issue. So again, this office being less than 3 years old, you would think electrical breaker shouldn't be having issues on that stuff yet, but where there's a will, there's a way. Randomly, something happened a little bit with that switch. So Hunter's gonna meet me here in about 10 minutes and we're gonna get this thing squared away. So comment down below, but man, it is always something. And shout out to Hunter Wells for getting us all squared away. Absolutely huge.